Lesson 3-5, Example 1. Our objective here is learning to multiply decimals by whole numbers and by other decimals. So let's take a look at this problem right here. Something that weighs 1 pound on Earth weighs 17/100ths of a pound on the moon. So we want to know how much a 4-pound dumbbell would weigh on the moon. Well, let's think about what this means. So if 1 pound on Earth, 1 pound on Earth, and LB is the abbreviation for pound, is 17/100ths of a pound on the moon, then we can think of it like this. 17/100ths of 1 pound, 17/100ths of 1 pound is 17/100ths pounds. Now I could rewrite this and take out the words and replace them with symbols. So 17/100ths of, and of is another word for multiply. So 17/100ths times 1 equals 17/100ths of a pound. So let's see if we can use that to then solve our problem. So we need to think that we have 17/100ths of 1 pound. Well, we want 4 pounds. So we're going to take 17/100ths of 4 pounds. And we want to know what that is. So we could rewrite this 17/100ths of means times 17/100ths times 4. So then let's take a look at how we're going to solve that. When we're multiplying decimals by whole numbers, we can actually think of this as just multiplying like normal. So we could think of this as 17 times 4. So I'm going to ignore the decimal for a moment and just do 17 multiplied by 4. And 7 times 4 is 28. 4 plus 2 is 6. End up with 68. Well, that doesn't quite make sense. That seems a little out of whack, that if I'm multiplying 17/100ths times 1, I get 17/100ths. 17/100ths times 4 is 68. Oh, wait, that decimal, it doesn't disappear. I ignored it for a moment, but I need to bring it back. So if I bring back that decimal, and I say, okay, there is a decimal there. However many place values that decimal had here is how many place values I'm going to have down in my solution. However many place values I have in the problem is how many place values I'm going to have in the solution. So I have 1, 2 place values. So I'm going to go over 1, 2 place values and put my decimal, put in my leading 0. So my solution then is 68/100ths pounds. So 17/100ths multiplied by 4 is 68/100ths.